Dear children, we can revise the one words from the quarterly portions. You take the past and present book and page number 13 in past and present book. Tick the correct answers. The Mesopotamian civilization is called the Bronze Age civilization. The earliest kingdom that arose in Mesopotamia was in Sumer. In Ur, the walled city and the outer towns were sacred areas. A ziggurat had a temple on the top. The Mesopotamian wrote from right to left. Match the columns. Slaves, bottom of social ladder. The hanging gardens, Babylon. Writing, clay tablets, Hammurabi, code of law. The Epic of Gilgamesh, a literary source. Right, true or false? The Mesopotamian civilization was an early river valley civilization. True. Lagash was a city in China. False. Each Mesopotamian city had its own god. True. Most people in Mesopotamia were traders. False. Mesopotamians kept records of trade on tablets. True. Then you can turn the page number 21, lesson number 2. The history of ancient Egypt is divided into three parts. Slaves were at the bottom of the Egyptian society. Queen Nefertiti ruled with her husband Akhenaten. Agriculture was a major occupation. The Sphinx is carved out of a single block of stone. The Egyptians followed the solar calendar. Then you turn the page number 30. There is no true. Tick the correct statement. Put a cross against the wrong ones. There is no Indus site in Rajasthan. False. The Indus Valley civilization is famous for its town planning. True. The Great Bath is made of terracotta. False. The Indus people knew spinning and weaving. True. Bricklaying was a popular occupation. True. A dockyard has been found in Dholavira. False. Now, page number 38. Tick the correct answers. The Chinese civilization came up along the Huanghe River. They were believed to be close to the gods, priests. This was the occupation of the majority of people. Farming. China had trade relations with Egypt. The Chinese script is written from top to bottom. You turn the page number 48. Tick the correct answers. The period from 1500 BCE to 600 BCE is called Vedic Age. The Vedic people are generally referred to as the Aryans. This was strung on special religious ceremonies. This was drunk on special religious ceremonies. Soma. This determined how wealthy a person was in early Vedic period. Cattle. The later Vedic period was from 1000 BCE to 600 BCE. This was the stage in which an Aryan got married. Grigastha. Then you turn to the civics in the past and present book. Take page number 100. Fill in the blanks. A local self-government is a system where local people are involved in managing the administration of their area. The Pradhan is the head of the Gram Panchayat. A block Samiti looks after the development of the whole block. The Zilla Parishad supervises the activities of Panchayati Raj. Right, true or false? Panchayati Raj system works in urban areas. False. Members of a Nyaya Panchayat are also members of the Gram Sabha. False. Members of a block Samiti elect the block Pramukh. True. The Gram Panchayat make the development plan for the whole district. False. Then we can see the answers from the around the world. Take page number 12, lesson number 1. Tick the correct answers. Which of these is not a language of a map sketch? Which of this map is also called topographical map? Which of these features is not shown using conventional signs and symbols directions? An accurate map of a house is called a plan. The large bends of a river are called meanders. Right, true or false? The distance between any two places on a map is called the ground distance. True. The linear scale is represented using a straight line. True. Bearing is measured in clockwise direction. True. A plan is drawn on a small scale. True. The folds are called synclines. False. Then you turn to the second lesson. Take page number 22. Fill in the blanks. The forces which originate from within the earth are called endogenic forces. The unfold mountains have conical peaks. The plateaux that are partly or completely enclosed by mountains are called intermountain plateaus. Mining is an important occupation in the plateau. The West Siberian plain is an erosional plain. Match the columns. Exogenic forces, gradational forces. Appalachian, Old Fold Mountain, Black Mountain, House Mountain. Plateau region of Greenland, continental plateau. Peneplain, erosional plain. Then we go to the third lesson. Take page number 34. Right, true or false? Mean sea level is taken as the starting point of the measure of the height, land and depth of ocean floor. True. The shape of the Pacific Ocean resembles the letter S. True. A gulf is larger than a bay. True. Lake Superior is freshwater lake. True. Leakage from oil tankers is a natural cause of water pollution. False. Okay, dear children, you practice these 1 words. Thank you. God bless you all.